Welcome to CAD Engineer. In this video, we are going to see steady-state fluid thermal simulation of a turbulent flow through a Faucet assembly to compute that fluid velocity and outlet temperature from hot and cold water mixing and pressure drop through that Faucet. Let's see. So here we have taken a stainless steel material, and the material we are using water. Gravity is acting on the water. Gravity is acting on the model, and fluid initially we have 22 degrees Celsius, and the walls we have defined non-slippable wall. Flow we have defined that to bottom we have inlet and upper Faucet will be outlet. So we have defined at inlet 1 50 degrees Celsius initial temperature, and Faucet 2 that 7 degrees Celsius, and we have to calculate outlet temperature and velocity and all. Let's see how to do it. So we just define everything, we just click calculate, solve. So here we can see our simulation and the results. Now if you want to see the animation also, you can play it. It will show you the animation, how the water is going inside from inlet and how it is coming from outlet. So here you can see the velocity initially, what are the velocity values we are getting. We want to see the pressures. You can check the total pressure 50.4, and we can check temperature. So temperature is 51.5 degrees Celsius. So this is how we can check the result values. So directions fields, if you want to see, you can just streamline flow and all like that. You want to see that streamline flow. So these all things we can change. We can see by the vectors flow of water by using vectors and all. So thing we can control from here, from the contours, shapes, without contours, streamline, or in the form of particle form. So these are the controllings we can do, and we can see the flow of water. So this is how we can check our results. Thank you for watching this video.